In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments on ClickUp. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into ClickUp. Head to clickup.com and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your tasks and projects. Now, let's navigate to where you can add comments to enhance collaboration with your team. From the homepage, you want to move to the Overview section. You can do this by going to the left-hand panel where you'll see the Team Space or Workspace options. Click on the appropriate workspace you belong to or are working under. This will lead you to the Overview section of your desired workspace, where all your projects are listed. Now, the next step is to find the specific project you want to comment on. Look through the project list and click on the desired project. This will take you directly to that project's dashboard. Here you can see all the tasks and activities laid out, providing you with a comprehensive view of what's happening within the project. You'll then need to select the task you want to comment on. Click on the task and it will open up in detail. This is where you can add your insights, feedback, or any necessary information needed to keep everyone on the same page. Once you have the task open, look for the comment section. Typically, this will be located towards the bottom or side of the task view, labeled clearly for convenience. Clicking on Comment will open up a text box where you can type in your message. Now, it's time to type your comment. Be clear and concise, ensuring your communication is effective and understood by anyone who reads it. Remember, comments are a powerful tool to keep your team informed and aligned, so take a moment to reflect on what you want to express. After typing your comment, the final step is to send it. You can usually find a Send button right below the comment box. Click it to ensure your message is posted and visible to other team members. This step is crucial, as it pushes your input into the shared workspace, allowing others to engage with your insights promptly. And that's it! You've successfully added a comment to a task in ClickUp. By following these straightforward steps, you enhance collaboration and communication within your team, making sure everyone stays informed and ready to act on shared projects. Thanks for watching, and happy